Has the ease of cooking improved the life? Food has always been one of the greatest wants of humankind. It has influenced almost every step that humankind has taken. The search for food is the essence of life. Therefore, if food is easier to get and prepare, it is a real boon to humankind. Food is the most important of the three basic amenities of life: water, food and shelter. Though it can be argued that water is the sustenance for any life form, food is more important because if you do not have water you will surely die. But if you are left with a scarcity of food, it will lead to a very sickly and tortuous life. Nutritious food is very essential for life. Food has been the cause of many a battle. Thus, if food was easier to prepare, it will take away from the mind of the humankind a great burden. Though the preparation of food becoming easier is considered a great blessing for humankind. The sudden rise in processed and canned food and all the junk food that one gets over the counter is not totally a boon. People who are so busy that they are not able to spend time to prepare their food develop a liking for these ready-to-eat junk food. Though it might be thought of as a great way to save time, this is a short-sighted idea that could actually lead to a world of harm. Because one must understand that even though junk food saves us a lot of time, the nutritional value of the food is not so good. In reality, the preservatives used in these foods are often found to be toxic in nature. Hence it defeats the purpose it is supposed to serve, i.e., to provide nutritional value. Moreover, since people do not take time to prepare food, the art of cooking is slowly vanishing. Actually, cooking is a good way of releasing pressure that builds up from our professional commitments. Cooking can easily provide relief from all the tensions that prevail in our life. In the past, family weekend get-together was considered to be a good time to know each other, and they used to spend time cooking food for the entire family. They used to exchange recipes, and it was a way of rewinding after the hard week-long labor. Thus, this junk food has denied the humankind of one of humankind's oldest arts. It could even be termed as a retrograde step in human culture. Therefore, I believe though the processed food has made the preparation of food much easier, it is not a good step for mankind.